You open Auntie Jenny's present.
Oh, Kirly, look, it's got butterflies on it. It's got butterflies. Oh, what is it? Oh, Kirly, it's Polly Pockets.
Wow.
These are fun. These are lots of fun. They're like little dolls you dress up. And that one looks like Kirly, doesn't it? Yeah.
Jenny, can you come? Say thank you, Auntie Jenny.
Thank you, Auntie Jenny.
Next one. There's more. There's more.
You look in the bag again, honey.
Whoopsies.
Oh, another butterfly. Sweet. Lots of butterflies. Yeah. Whoa, that's the way to do it.
There you go.
Oh, Kirly. It's the Polly Pocket pool, honey. See, she can go swimming in there. Yeah, she can go swimming in there. Isn't that cool? Just like your pool. And we can get some friends, and she can go swimming with her friends. Yeah, that's fun.
Do you like it, sweetie?
More.
You know, Daddy? You say thank you. Say thank you, Auntie Jenny, Uncle Andy.
Auntie Jenny, Uncle Andy.
Good girl. Look at Daddy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.